Parsley is native to the Mediterranean region of southern Europe and has been cultivated for more than 2,000 years. According to ancient Greek legend, parsley sprang from the bloodshed by the fallen hero Archiamorus when he was eaten by serpents. Pliny, 23 through 79 AD, mentioned parsley as a cure for ailing fish and listed it as a popular flavoring for broths and sauces. He also made mention of a curled variety. Some historians credit Charles the Great, the Holy Roman Emperor, for making this herb so popular because it was grown all over his property. The leaves of this variety are tightly curled, but still possess the same great flavor as the standard flat-leaf parsley. The taste is stronger than that of the flat-leaf type, and not too similar. Curly parsley uses include garnishing plates, often along with fruit slice. It is well known as a classic garnish for deviled eggs and an ingredient in tabbouleh, aka parsley salad, and a white clam sauce for pasta. Parsley is a great companion crop, encouraging the growth of plenty of other plants around it. Of all the vegetables, asparagus benefits the most from having parsley nearby. Other plants that grow well with parsley include tomatoes, chives, carrots, corn peppers, onions, and peas. Lettuce and mint don't make good neighbors with parsley and should be kept far away from it. The nutritious leaves are high in iron and in vitamins A, C, and E. Curled parsley also provides minerals such as copper, potassium, and folate. The high chlorophyll content makes it a natural breath sweetener too.